upbeat music playing. Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we take your hard-earned cash and help you spend it wisely. Today, we have a drone battle that's hotter than a summer barbecue. On the left, we have the Holy Stone HS720 GPS drone, and on the right, we have the TiziToy Brushless Motor Drone. Let's get ready to rumble. Cut to split screen showing both drones. In the red corner, weighing in at $249, we have the Holy Stone HS720, the heavyweight champ with FAA compliance, and a camera that can see your pores from a mile away. And in the blue corner, tipping the scales at just $99, we have the TiziToy, the people's champ with a price tag that won't make you cry. Holy Stone HS720 is rocking a 4K UHD camera with image stabilization. It's like having a mini James Cameron in your pocket. You get 3,840 by 2,160 high-res images without looking like you took the footage during an earthquake. Reviewers say the camera quality is top-notch, making it excellent for serious photography. TiziToy here also boasts a 4K camera with a 120 degrees adjustable lens. It's like a GoPro strapped to a squirrel, broad shooting range, and breathtaking views. According to users, it's great for casual shots and social media posts. But hey, for $99, who's complaining? You might just see a UFO if you're lucky. So if you're planning your Oscar-winning documentary, maybe go with the Holy Stone. If you're just trying to impress your Instagram followers, TiziToy's got you covered. Holy Stone HS720 comes with not one but TWO intelligent batteries. That's 52 minutes of flight time, people. Enough to spy on your neighbors, and their neighbors too. Reviewers appreciate the extended battery life but mention the long charging time. TiziToy gives you 2 batteries as well, but they max out at 40 minutes. Still pretty solid. You'll have just enough time to film your dog's entire nap. Users love the convenience of extra batteries, but note that the actual flight time can be slightly less. So if you're planning a drone marathon, Holy Stone is your guy. But if you just want to capture your cat being a cat, TiziToy will do just fine. Holy Stone HS720 is like the Einstein of drones. It's got GPS-assisted intelligent flight, so it'll never get lost. It'll return home when the battery is low, the signal is lost, or you hit the panic button. Plus, it can follow you, fly along a set path, or circle around like a confused bird. Reviewers love the reliable GPS features and find it perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. TiziToy is no slouch either. It's got high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, and even 360 degrees flips. It's like the drone equivalent of a Swiss Army knife. And it even has 360-degree obstacle avoidance indoors. Users appreciate the fun and variety of features, although some have complaints about the app and customer support. So if you want a drone that's basically your new best friend, go with Holy Stone. But if you want a drone that can do party tricks, TiziToy is your guy. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. Holy Stone HS720 will set you back $249. That's a chunk of change, but you get a lot of bang for your buck. Reviewers feel it's a worthwhile investment given the features and build quality. And then there's TiziToy, coming in hot at just $99. It's like the dollar store of drones, but in a good way. You get a lot of features without emptying your wallet. Users find it to be a great value for the price, though some have issues with customer support. So if your wallet is feeling generous, Holy Stone is the way to go. But if you're ballin' on a budget, TiziToy is a steal. Overall, Reviewers are quite satisfied with both drones. The Holystone HS720 is praised for its advanced features, flight stability, and excellent camera quality, making it a great choice for serious users and beginners alike. However, the long battery charging time is a common complaint. On the other hand, the TiZitoy Brushless Motor Drone is appreciated for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a fantastic entry-level drone. Some users, however, have had issues with customer support and the app experience. And there you have it, folks. The Holystone HS720 versus the TiZitoy Brushless Motor Drone. 2 drones enter, 1 drone leaves. Or maybe they both leave depending on your needs and budget. Smash that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Buy Smart for more epic product showdowns. Leave a comment below on which drone you're picking up, and we'll see you in the next video. Fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.